Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another lesson of today guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the two advanced licks I showed you in my previous video. Okay, I showed you some advanced licks that I'm going to use in your improvisation to sound better and sounds cool as an intermediate guitarist, as a beginner, as an advanced guitarist. Okay, so like I always say in this channel, I have a whole lot of lessons. If you are meeting me for the first time, I have a whole lot of lessons to show up there in my channel that you can go ahead and practice. Okay, you can go ahead and learn that to enhance your playing skill. Okay, so without wasting of your time, let's move straight to the video. But if you know that is the first time you're coming across my video, do wait to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload an interesting video like this. And if you like the video, smash the like button. If you have any challenges, do wait to hit on the comment section. I'm going to appreciate that. Okay, if you want to join my online class, it's not a free class, okay, it's a payable class on WhatsApp. Do wait to chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to respond to you. Okay, all right guys, let's go. All right, so we did the lesson in the key of B. For many of you are not really familiar with the key of B, this is the key of B on the fifth fret, sorry, on the second fret, fifth string. Do, re, mi. You have different ways to improvise your scale. So like I said, always practice your scale all over the fretboard. Okay, so I said, all right, so the number one licks we learned that day was, in my previous video was, okay, that's the number one lick we learned. Okay, the number two was like this. Okay, so the number two was okay, so I'm going to play a song. I'm going to play this song, a popular song. Many of you know the song, so we can use the licks over and many others improvisation. Okay.
Jesus, aren't you just everything to us?
All right.
You're a master, you're a savior.
So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to start on your mute. Your mute.
You are Jesus. We just want to say that we love you, God.
Just put your hand on the do. This is your do. This is your do in the key of B.
You are the reason I live. You're the one for me. You're just the very one for me. You are the reason I live. You're the one for me, God. You're the one for me. Help me sing, come sing. You're the reason I live. Yes, you're the one. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. You are the reason. Yes, you are. You are the reason I live. You are. You're the one. You're the one for me. You're the one for me. Why should I be?
Now you come to this other shape. This is your B. Then go back to your, you can play a chord, source chord.
You're the one.
So when the song is like this, you don't need to play more of the chord again. Okay? Either you can just leave the chord, then come to this other shape, play the same thing I play. Oh, okay. So let me explain what I did. So the first one is use your mute. Okay, you can see I just played my finger on the do. You are the reason I live. This is T that is going to your song. For me, va, go to my la, for me. So what I played there was re mi so mi re do la do. You are the reason I live. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. Then you now play that lick I showed you. I hold my double stop. This is va, la, okay, va. Then mi, so, re, mi, re, va. So slide from re, va to the mi. Va, mi, re, mi. Okay, so why should I feel not be okay? So you just have to know when to, time in and come in to, make it look more harmonizing and more phrasing, okay? You don't need to play that straight up. You don't have to play that straight up. You just have to, apply some kind of notes that make it go off a bit, okay? Okay? Why should I be? Anyone? So I played from here. I played mi so va, la do ti re va mi, re va mi, re va mi, re do ti la va mi, oh re do ti la la do. Okay, so that is it. So for this shape I play. What should I feel? What be? So I start using my T-do, then I hammer on. They don't know. Why should I feel? So I start by playing re, ti, sorry, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, la. So all you just have to do is, just know when to come in, know when to time in, okay? But at first, make sure you know the progression. You are the reason I live. I go to my 5 chord, so you are the one for me. 4 chord, okay, the va, so do. Why should I fear what people say? They don't know why. So me, they don't know what you mean to me. Okay, so at first practice the chord progression, know it very well. When you know the chord progression, you'll be able to figure it out. Okay, you'll be able to know how to improvise. Okay, all right, guys. See you guys in the next video. In my next video, I'm going to show more of this. Okay, so you go ahead and learn. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.